Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 2022 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down in order to find a special number called build number. As you can see, it will be at the very bottom of the list. And all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it. And I know it may be quite confusing, but thanks to this we can actually activate the developer options. So let me keep tapping on it. And as you can see right now, we are a developer. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen occurring set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So now we can go back to the general settings and here let's enter the system. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom we've got the developer options. So let's enter, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, force RTL layout direction, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and USB, for example Wi-Fi, so overall to the networking, and so on and so on. So as you can see, a lot of options to choose from. So basically all you have to do in order to turn on the option is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher at the top. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, they will disappear from the list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Motorola Razr 2022. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.